Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the silver price has moved in the last 2 days and how the silver price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at this chart, we have seen that the price of silver has moved an uptrend in this chart, and after that it has after breaking this particular range, it came down and now it is in the downside. Okay, so what we can see here is that this is a very important range. You have to understand this, that a range in 28.61 to a range in 28.61 to in the range of 27 is a very strong range. So once this range breaks upside or downside, we can see further fall, because if you look at this chart, we have seen that this range is break downside, then now it is moving in this particular range. Okay, so look at this chart. So if you have any doubt, if you look that once this range is suppose if it breaks upside and come again in this particular range, then we can see that the price of silver can again move in this particular range, and if it breaks upside, then we can see further high in the silvers. If you have any doubt regarding silver, then you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Okay, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link in the description. Okay, and please watch the full video, then you will understand. And if you like the video and if you like it, and then please like and share. See, look at this pattern. If it breaks, it has breaks downside, so now it is moving in a particular range. So I will tell you a range also. The high in this particular range is 26.49. note it down. Okay, and the low we can see at a range of 25.56. So suppose if this price comes near close to this level, and we have seen that these levels are not tested twice, so what are the chances that suppose if this range comes close to this level, then there is chances that it can bounce back from there, or low or up, both, or it can, if it breaks that, then there is chances that it upside, if it breaks, it can come into this particular range. Okay, or downside it breaks, then it can make a new low to a level of 25.21. suppose if it breaks, come down, and if it goes below a level of 25.64, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 25.56. and suppose 25.56 goes below that level, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 25.29. okay, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 25.1581. and suppose if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 24.91, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 24.71. okay, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 24.50. suppose if this range break upside, and there is chances that if silver goes above a level of 26.08, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 26.23, and if it goes above that level, then we can see that it can touch a level of 26.46. once 26.46 is touched, then there is high chances that it can go up this level and can touch a level of 27.19. okay, and then we can see that it will come in this particular range. So once 27.19, after crossing a level of 26.49, okay, it can touch a level of 27.25. once 27.25 is touched, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 27.43, and from there it can touch a level of 27.66, and then it can touch a level of 27.78. once 27.78 is touched, then we can expect a target of 27.89, and from there we can see a level of 28. once 28 is touched, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 28.27. but I'm not expecting that it can go much higher with more than 28 as of in the next 2 days. what I'm expecting that if it breaks upside or downside, because we can see there can be a pattern is forming that, and this particular range, so this range has to be break upside or downside, we can see there can be a further rise or fall in the price of the silver. suppose if it breaks upside, then 26.08, if it breaks, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 26.26, and from there it can touch a level of 26.46, and from there it can touch a level of 26.64, and from there it can touch a level of 26.96, and from there it can touch a level of 27.10. once 27.10 is touched, then we can expect a level of 27.43, and from there it can touch a level 27.69. Once 27.69 is touched, then it can touch a level 27.83. okay, suppose if it goes below a level of 25.70, then there is chances that it can touch a level 25.53. okay, 27.53 is touched, then there is chances that it can touch a level 25.32, and from there it can touch a level 24.91. once 24.91 is touched, then it can touch a level of 27.71. okay, or it can go to a level of 24.50. okay, but as of now I am looking that let this range breaks, and I have told you the next 2 days targets. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.